Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's kind of just me here at the shop today. Everybody's off doing other jobs for the company, so I'm taking care of the big shop. And we now have a properly routed, tucked wiring for the signal for the pump. Bobby did such an amazing job on these last night. He really did. I mean, just look at this. I mean, just amazing. Seriously, just amazing. So, that being said, we got that done this morning. I forgot to take video as I was doing it. I apologize, guys. I'm sorry. It's been me, so I kind of just keep myself focused on getting things done. So, that being said, let's go to the front. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and there we go. They are on. I gotta adjust this one a little bit. There we go. Right on the spot, baby. That looks so nice. I love it. I think it was a great call to put those on the car. I really, truly do. They look amazing on it. Then every time I come into work and I see this car, I absolutely love it. It is so pretty. But you guys are now updated on the Mustang, and I get to go back to work on another car. So have a wonderful morning.